Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Stations of the SkyTrain. Today I'm going to show you around Oakridge-41st. So without further ado, let's go around and check it out.
The next station is Oakridge-41st.
Oakridge-41st is an underground station on the Canada Line. Located on Cambie Street and 41st Avenue. Along with the rest of the Canada Line, the station opened in 2009 for public service just in time for the 2010 Winter Olympic Games.
So we are here at the Rapid Bus stop, which is designated for the 41st Avenue Rapid Bus.
Rapid Bus is a BRT system or bus rapid transit that was launched in January 2020 and uses the all-door boarding service to rapidly board passengers on the bus.
And as you can see, there are no bus loops at the station. However, there are bus bays here where buses come and pick up passengers around this intersection here. Also, there are overhead wires up here, which means that this station is served by trolleybuses, which is on the 41 Crown. Now that we've covered all of the buses, let's go to the station underground. Let's go. So we are here at the concourse area at the station. Over to your left, we have the convenience store. And over on your right, we have the compass vending machines over here. This is the place where you purchase your transit fares before entering through the gates. Now let's head over to the train platforms. Let's go. And just like that, we are through the gates. On the other side of these gates, we have these compass exit ticket machines. So if you happen to lose your transit fare or you owe money onto your card, go over here and buy an exit ticket or top up money onto your compass card and exit through the gates. Now, let's head over to the train platforms. Let's go. Alright everyone, we are here at the train platforms at the station. And as you can see, side platforms are being used at the station. That platform over there is for trains going to downtown Vancouver towards Waterfront. And the platform here is for trains going to either YVR Airport or Richmond Brighouse.
This station also includes a designated waiting area with seating, a SkyTrain map, and more transit information regarding SkyTrain safety and security. And the next train arrival display showing when the next 3 trains arrive and the destination the trains are going to.
There are elevators here at the station as well, which makes the station fully accessible. Let's take a ride on this elevator and let's go to the other side. Go lower concourse. Alright guys, we are here on the other side of the station. Well, that wraps up this episode of Stations of the SkyTrain. So be sure to like this video, comment down below which station you want to see next, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Alright guys, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.